Intensive Practice 5.2, Question 5. The diagram shows a few circles with the same center. The perimeter of each circle follows a geometric progression. Given that nth perimeter follows this formula, find the common ratio. Okay, so common ratio, the formula is T2 over T1 or T3 over T2 and so on. So what we can do here is, since we know the formula for Tn, we can easily find T2 and T1. So T2 would be 38 minus 2. T1 would be 38 minus 1. So 3 power 8 minus 2 over 3 power 8 minus 1. 3 to the power of 8 minus 2 is just 6. 8 minus 1 would be 7. So we get 1 over 3. This would be our common ratio. Okay, done. So we can actually kind of figure out the progression. So the first one which is 3 power 6. And the first one is 3 power 7. T1 is 3 power 7. Then 3 power 6. Then 3 power 5 and so on. Okay, so the biggest one would be the first one, and then as it progresses, the perimeter reduces. So B, the sum of 3 consecutive perimeter after the second largest perimeter. So this is the largest, this is the second largest. They want us to find 3 consecutive after the second largest. That means 3 power 5, 3 power 4, 3 cube. So we just have to do 3, 5, 3, 4, 3 cube. We get 351 cm. So of course you can use the formula to find Sn or whatever, but since they just want us to find 3 consecutive parameters, we can just add them up. This is much simpler, I guess. That's it.